Hi guys, it's Alexandra here and today I want to talk about Barbican. In the last video, I said it is one of the 6 most important things to see in Krakow. Today, let's discuss why Barbican is so interesting. First of all, you need to know that it is one of the few buildings of this type that have survived in Europe and no other has been preserved in such perfect condition as the one in Krakow. If you want to know why was Barbican created, why does it have such a specific shape, and finally, what can you visit near the Barbican, then watch this video. So why Barbican was created? The Barbican was part of Krakow's defensive walls. It was created on the north side of the city because the entire northern side was easily accessible. There was no kind of river or swamps. That's why the strongest fortifications were built from the north. Barbican was the crucial part of these fortifications. Since the construction of this building, no enemy has even dared to storm the city from the north. Now, let's discuss the shape of the Barbican. The Barbican has the shape of a circle with 2 gates, one for entry and the second one leading to the city. It was built in front of the city walls to protect them because its circular shape provided better protection against bullets than traditional walls. The building, thanks to internal galleries and arcades, could defend itself even if the enemy got into the courtyard. The cellars of the fortress could hold food and weapons even for several years of the siege. The entrance gate is also a key element of the Barbican. It was the only entrance to this building due to the surrounding moat. In front of the entrance gate there is a wooden bridge that is easy to burn, which makes access to the building even more difficult. The bridge is located on the side of the building, which allows defenders to attack invaders also from the defensive walls. It also allows injuring opponents in their right hands, where they usually hold weapons. All this makes the Barbican the strongest part of Krakow defensive walls. So finally, what can you visit near the Barbican? Of course, you can visit St. Florence Gate, which is the next part of the defensive walls in Krakow. But you can also see Matejko Square and visit there the St. Florence Church. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more.